Are you ready to challenge everything you think you know about Hinduism? Today we're diving into 15 mind-blowing facts that will redefine your understanding of this ancient tradition. It's an age to its approach to death. We're covering it all. So buckle up and get ready to have your perspectives shifted. Number 15. Hinduism is the oldest living religion on the planet. Now that's a bold statement, but it's true. Hinduism is estimated to be over 4,000 years old, making it the oldest religion still practiced today. That's a lineage that has survived the test of time. Number 14. It's not a single religion, but rather a tapestry of traditions. So what exactly do I mean by this? Well, Hinduism is more like a family of traditions than a single defined religion. It's a diverse and ever-evolving set of beliefs and practices that have grown and changed over thousands of years. Number 13. Hindus believe in one God, but with many forms. Devas. These divine beings are manifestations of the one true God. Think of them as different aspects or personifications of the divine. Each deva has unique qualities and powers, and they play a significant role in Hindu mythology and worship. Number 12. There is no single founder of Hinduism. Unlike some religions, Hinduism doesn't have a single individual who is considered its founder. Instead, it has evolved over a long period through the contributions of various sages, philosophers, and communities. This gradual evolution has shaped its beliefs and practices, making it what it is today. Number 11. Karma and rebirth are central to Hindu philosophy. The concept of karma, or the law of cause and effect, is a cornerstone of Hinduism. It teaches that every action has a consequence, and that these consequences shape our future rebirths. This cycle of birth, death, and rebirth is known as samsara, and the ultimate goal in Hinduism is to break free from it by achieving enlightenment. Number 10. The sacred syllable Om is believed to be the sound of the universe. This one may sound mystical, but it's a significant belief in Hinduism. The syllable Om is considered to represent the essence of the divine, and is often used as a mantra during meditation and prayer. Number 9. Hindu scriptures include the Vedas, Upanishads, and Bhagavad Gita. These ancient texts hold profound wisdom and teachings that have guided generations of Hindus. The Vedas are a collection of hymns and rituals, while the Upanishads explore philosophical concepts. The Bhagavad Gita, part of the epic Mahabharata, is a dialogue between a warrior prince and his divine guide, Krishna. Number 8. There are over 330 million deities in Hinduism. However, it's essential to understand that in Hinduism, deities are often symbolic representations of different aspects of the divine. While there is one ultimate reality, these deities provide a framework for understanding and connecting with the divine in various forms. Number 7. The cow is considered sacred in Hinduism. This reverence for cows goes back centuries. Cows are seen as a symbol of life and non-violence, and this respect for all living beings is a fundamental principle in Hinduism. Number 6. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is celebrated by Hindus worldwide. It's a joyous occasion that symbolizes the victory of good over evil. During Diwali, people decorate their homes with lights and candles, exchange sweets, and spend time with their families. Number 5. Yoga, a practice widely associated with Hinduism, originated as a spiritual practice within the Hindu tradition. It's not just about physical postures, but a holistic system aiming to unite the mind, body, and spirit. Number 4. Time in Hinduism is cyclical, not linear. Unlike the linear view of time prevalent in many cultures, Hinduism sees time as cyclical. This means that the universe goes through periods of creation, preservation, and destruction, only to begin anew. No. 3. The caste system, often misunderstood, was not originally part of Hindu philosophy. While the caste system has unfortunately been a social reality in some parts of India, it's important to note that it's not explicitly mentioned in ancient Hindu texts. No, 2 Hindu temples are not just places of worship. They're architectural marvels designed to represent cosmic structures. From the towering spires to the intricate carvings, each element has a deeper meaning. Visiting a temple is like taking a journey into the cosmos. Number 1. Hinduism embraces tolerance and the idea that there are multiple paths to truth. This philosophy is beautifully captured in the phrase, Ekam Sat, Vipraha Bahuta Vedante, which means truth is one, but the wise speak about it in many ways. So there you have it, 15 Hinduism facts that challenge what you think. Did I miss any fact? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.